Now, if I didn't scare you off with those huge money numbers or those 200 hours of amount of time that you need to invest in this business if you really want a serious take at it, then great, because there is an alternative to spending hundreds of hours and $4,000 just getting started with affiliate marketing. And that's my training course, the Super Affiliate System, which thousands of folks have gone through now, and some people have become millionaires. I've even had one student become a decamillionaire who's made tens of millions of dollars. And I've had many more students make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands, or even just thousands of dollars going through my training program. It takes the time down to 25 hours for training. And part of the course is trial and error. So going through and getting used to working with Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and all the different ad networks is all inside the course.